If you want to cancel your Lyft subscription, follow these simple steps to ensure the process is completed correctly. Step 1. Open the Lyft app. Launch the Lyft app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into the account associated with the subscription you wish to cancel. Step 2. Access your account settings. Tap on your profile picture or the menu icon in the top left corner of the app. From the menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Subscription. In the Settings menu, look for the Ride Subscription or Subscriptions option. Tap on it to view your current subscription details. Step 4. Cancel subscription. Once you are in the subscription section, you should see an option to cancel your subscription. Tap on Cancel Subscription and follow any prompts to confirm your cancellation. Step 5. Verify cancellation. After cancelling, check for a confirmation message or email from Lyft to ensure your subscription has been successfully cancelled. You can also revisit the subscription section to verify that it is no longer active. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your Lyft subscription. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to Lyft customer support.